Welcome to How to Play Flower Garden Solitaire. To play, you will need a 52 card deck. The game is set up by creating 6 columns of face-up cards, each column with 6 cards overlapping each other. The remaining cards are fanned out face up to form a reserve pile. The object of the game is to get all the cards from the layout into 4 foundation piles, 1 pile for each suit. Each foundation pile starts with an ace and is built up to the king for each suit. Going back to the game that was set up earlier, a player can move cards in a number of ways. A card in the layout can be moved on top of another card that is just 1 rank higher. The 3 can be placed on the 4. The top card of a column can be moved to a foundation pile when possible. Any card in the reserve pile can be moved to a column in the layout or to a foundation pile when possible. The ace of clubs is moved from the reserve pile to start the club's foundation pile. Only 1 card can be moved at a time. Cards in a sequence cannot be moved together. If a player moves all the cards from a column, this creates an empty space. An empty space can be filled with any card. A player will continue to make moves with the goal of getting all their cards into their foundation piles. If a player is able to get all their cards into the foundation piles, they win the game. If a player gets stuck with no more moves to make, the game is lost. If you enjoyed learning how to play Flower Garden Solitaire, and you are curious about other games, our channel is your go-to spot for fun, easy-to-follow tutorials. Check out the collection of videos to find your next favorite game.